Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time again we're gonna do something special. We're gonna do something that we did before, but I think that it's one of the techniques that I love the most. Well, it's not really a technique. Well, there's two techniques. There's a lot of product. We're gonna use mainly white glue mixed with our acrylic, and we're gonna use a little bit of silicone. Silicone that we're going to put a little bit on our paint and a little bit in our cup, which we're going to make put the paint in. We're going to do 3 flip cup, and we're going to do dirty fluid pouring all around our flip cup before we take it away. I think it's going to do a special kind of finish, but we did, like I said, we did it before. And what I wanted to do this time is to reproduce what we did last time, but on a very big canvas. It's a canvas, well, 30 by 30, so it's quite big. But we're gonna put it on a wall. You're gonna see it differently. It's gonna be nice. So let's go and try it. Well guys, I think we can say without a doubt the finish is great. I think it's a great way to go at it, even though I'm not, like you must know, I'm not a big fan of doing cells, but this time the cells, listen, they look like flowers. I hope it's going to stay the same, because as I'm speaking to you, of course, I just made it, so it's quite not finished, and it's still working and doing some cells and what have you not. What I like about it is because the two way we did go at it, we did the flip cup and we did the dirty pouring. It gives us two distinct, different finish. First with our flour a bit everywhere. That's because of the silicone. You know why exactly is not only because of that, but mainly because that we did put a lot of silicone in our cup before doing the flip cup and the pouring. But with the pouring, what happens is that when you do your pouring, there's a lot of silicone that build up in in your cup. It's gonna be the last thing that comes over. So each drop of silicone makes you those kind of flower. So that's what is interesting about it. And the fluid gives you more density with your colors, more defined, bigger defined line, you know what I mean? And the flip cup gives you more little cells and little details. That's because of the glue also. So I think it's very nice. I think the finish is great. I think, like I said, it's a big canvas. And I hope you can see it, because I'm not sure, because like I said, it's still wet and I just finished it. But the way we're gonna put on the wall this painting, it's gonna be out of this world. It's gonna be great. Well, I hope you enjoy, because like always, it's subjective, depends on your taste. But I think it's hard to go wrong with this technique. I don't know any person who won't like it. Maybe the colors, but even though it's warm colors, so I think for this time of year, it's very appropriate. So, like I say, guys, I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna try it. It's a little bit more work since it's a big canvas, and it's a little bit more messy, but I think the result, it's worth it. So guys, like always, thanks for being here, and hope you're gonna come back. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.